What's up guys, Robby here, and guess what? Did you know that ClickBank is one of the best ways to generate reoccurring revenue each and every day online? It's not having a product, it's not having an email list, it's not having a Shopify store, it's running ClickBank offers. And I'm living proof of it. I went from being a struggling personal trainer just a couple of years ago where I couldn't even pay for my groceries to now I am the #1 ClickBank affiliate in the world. As you can see, let me just log in and show you. Just log into my ClickBank account right now. All right, there you go right there, guys. So you can see that I am the #1 affiliate in the world. I generate a lot of money on Facebook, all right? And I wanna show and share with you exactly how I've done that. And so here's the way it works, guys. So register for my free training right now. It doesn't cost anything, it's a free training. In that training, I'm gonna share with you exactly how I went from being a struggling personal trainer to now being the #1 ClickBank affiliate in the world, and how you can do the same with this 3-step method. So go ahead and click that link above, and I can't wait to see you on the training. What's up guys, Robby Blanchard here, and yes, the rumors are true. I did become the #1 ClickBank affiliate in the world, and just to prove it to you and show you that I'm not lying, here is a look at my ClickBank account, right? So you can see each and every day I'm making thousands of dollars. Now, am I saying that you're gonna make thousands of dollars each and every day? No, but you probably will though if you register for my free training where I reveal my 3-step system for how to make money online with ClickBank offers, right? And this has been a game changer for me. I went from just being a struggling personal trainer a couple of years ago to now generating thousands of dollars, being able to travel the world. Like just recently I was in Brazil on vacation and I was still making money each and every day. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, then register for my free training by clicking that link above, and I can't wait to see you on the inside because I know it's gonna make a huge impact in your life and in your bank account.